Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Poetic Spartan for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. I do have the Poetic Guardian I'll be checking out here shortly as well, which is basically just a clear case with a little kickstand on the back. This one does not have a kickstand on the back, which I totally do not mind because I do not really use them at all. One interesting little thing about this is this case has little kind of rubber nubs right here on the back, so you can sit your phone down and it's a little grippy. Sorry you can't see it off frame there, but I just put it on my desk just to check the grippiness of it. But another thing I like, no screen protector on this one. I have two. I actually have this one right here. This is a UB Pro right here. Screen protector on this one. I don't like those because I don't like those flimsy plastic screen protectors. And I have a glass one on here, so that kind of interferes with it. So very nice that these don't have screen protectors. It does have protection up here and around the camera. So the glass up here that's not protected by most of the screen protectors is protected by the case, which is very nice. It's got a nice hinge protector on it. It is a spring-loaded hinge protector, so it does snap shut pretty easily. Most of the times it will close on its own when you close the case. Sometimes it does not though, but it is very easy just to flick shut. And as you can see here, if you have your hand right here, you can just flick it like that and it will close. As opposed to these where they kind of lock in like that and you have to, close it. I just prefer the ones that have the little spring on them. Tend to work a little bit better for me. One, just less extra step when you close your case to have to close the hinge as well. Like I said, no kickstand on this one, so just flat black back right there like that. And like I said, nice camera cutouts. You have your ports and your speakers on the bottom right here. You have an opening for your fingerprint sensor on the side with covered volume buttons, which is nice because it's easy to tell which is which. And then nothing right here. Nice texturing on the sides for grip. And overall, just a nice protective case for your Galaxy Z Flip 5. I'm Colin with Techout, and for the comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.